The air feels different in autumn, soft, golden, and full of change. The leaves drift slowly to the ground, and so should your thoughts. Today, we are here to let go of everything that weighs your mind down, the what-ifs, the should-haves, and the endless thoughts that never seem to stop. This is your time to breathe again, to return to stillness. 1. Easy pose. Sit comfortably on your mat. Close your eyes. Imagine your thoughts as autumn leaves, swirling, floating, and gently falling away. With each breath, they drift farther until the air around you is clear again. Breathe in calm. Breathe out everything else. 2. Cat-cow stretch. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale as you lift your chest and tailbone to the sky, the cow. Exhale and round your spine, chin to chest, the cat. Like the rhythm of seasons, your spine flows through change, softening, stretching, releasing. 3. Child's pose. Now sink your hips back to your heels. Stretch your arms forward. This is your safe place, your quiet corner. Here the mind rests. The body listens. The world slows down. Let your breath melt into the floor. 4. Downward facing dog. Lift your hips up high, forming a soft mountain with your body. Press your hands into the earth. Feel your strength returning, rooted, steady, alive. Like a tree in the wind, you bend but you do not break. 5. Standing forward fold. Step forward and fold gently. Let your head hang heavy. This is where overthinking begins to leave you, dripping away from the crown of your head, dissolving into the ground. You don't need to hold anything. Let the floor carry it all. 6. Mountain pose. Now roll up slowly and stand tall. Feet grounded, arms relaxed, eyes soft. You are the mountain, calm above the noise, unshaken by the wind. Feel your breath rise and fall like the rhythm of nature. 7. Tree pose. Lift one foot and place it on your inner thigh or calf. Find your balance. Stretch your arms upward like branches. Even in stillness, you grow. Even in quiet, you flourish. This is balance, the opposite of overthinking. 8. Warrior second. Step one foot back, open your arms wide. Feel your power, your focus. Your body is strong, but your mind is calm, steady as autumn earth. This is how peace and courage meet. 9. Triangle pose. Straighten your front leg and reach forward, then tilt your body down. Your fingertips brush the air, your heart opens wide. You're expanding beyond your thoughts, beyond the walls of your own mind. Stay here. Breathe into the freedom. 10. Seated forward bend. Sit down and stretch your legs forward. Reach toward your toes. Every stretch is a whisper. It's okay to slow down. Your mind quiets when your breath deepens. Feel that gentle silence return. 11. Supine twist. Lie back, bring one knee over your body and look the other way. The twist clears the mind like a gust of cool wind through falling leaves. You are releasing what no longer belongs. Every exhale takes away another worry. 12. Corpse poses. Finally, let go completely. Arms and legs relaxed, eyes closed, breath soft. You have arrived at stillness, that quiet space inside where thoughts lose their power. Feel the weight of your body melting into the earth. In this moment, there is nothing to fix, nothing to fear, nothing to think about. Only peace. When you are ready, bring your hands to your heart. Whisper gratitude for your body, for your breath, and for your mind that is learning to rest. Overthinking is just the wind, and you are the tree that knows how to stand through it. If you enjoyed this calm autumn flow, take a deep breath, smile softly, and share this peace with others. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's grow together, one breath at a time.